In this video, we will learn how to send a new message and how to reply to a message in Canvas. Canvas has a message system called Conversations that is just like using email. To send a message in Canvas, the first step is to find the inbox. Now, once you are logged into Canvas, you will want to go to the left side, and we can see right here, kind of in the middle, inbox. So click that button, and you will see something like this. There'll be a space here in the middle to read the messages, and on the left side you'll have a list of all those messages with the date and the names of the person who sent it and the person who received that message. Let's start by learning how to send a new message. So if you want to send a new message, come up here to where you see that little pencil in a box, and it says compose a new message. Click that and you will get a compose message box. The first thing you need to do is select your course. So that's your Canvas class. So if you have more than one class, you'll need to choose the class you're looking for. The easiest way to do that is to go to Favorite Courses, and then you're going to see a list of classes. So click the class that you want to send a message in, and then now you'll see that class listed in course. So next we want to find the person that you want to send the message to. One way you can do that is to move over here to the right, click that box, and you will see you have some choices here. If you want to send it to everybody in the class, you can click All. If you're looking for a teacher, click Teachers, and you'll see a list of the teachers. If it's just one person, choose the person that you want to send it to, click their name, and the name will go in the to box. If it's a student, another student in the class that you want to send the message to, go to Students, click that. Again, you will see a list of all of the people in that, all of the students in that class. If you want to send it to everyone, click All. But if you want to send it to one specific person, click that person's name. Then you can type in the subject. And go down to the box here, click in the box, and you can type your message there. Then when you're ready to send your message, go down to the right bottom corner where you see the blue box that says Send, and click Send. Another way you can choose the name is if you know the person's name and you know how to spell it, you can just start typing their name in the box. And then what will happen is the name will show up here in blue. You click the name and it goes into the to box. Now, if you want to reply to a message that you've already received, just go ahead and click the message that you're looking for on the left. Let's say we want to reply to this first message. So we'll click that message, and then we'll see it here in the viewing box. And if you want to reply to that person, you come over to this arrow, this reply arrow. You can see it says reply. Click, and then it's ready to go. The person's name is already in the to box, and you come back down, click into the box, and type your reply message. Again, click the send button, the blue button in the bottom right corner. And that will send a reply message.